Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code P2463 P0234 P246B, and if you're getting this sort of warning, not that one you see but the DPF sensor, if you're getting that sort of fault code, what we would recommend to solve it, obviously if you do a full scan and clear, it may clear but it's not going to work 100%. If it's permanent, it'll be permanent. Okay, diesel particle filter, so you'll always be in lit mode no matter what. You see it's gone from red to amber, so you may have just a bit of power but you may not. What we would recommend from our end, let me do a quick erase of everything else anyway, is do a full scan and clear, okay, to get the fault code. And if your car is in lit mode as is, there's ways of fixing it. There's a very expensive way of fixing it, putting a new DPF in, which I don't recommend. It's not worth it, it really isn't. This is the 3-litre diesel Land Rover, by the way, Sport. While that happens, what I would say is, so no modifier, my see it's giving you signs. What we would say is go into the special functions. So I'm using the iCarsoft CR Max BT. So come out of this, go into services, and then here we have diesel particulate filter. On your machine, I'm sure it'll be the same. So it says diesel particle filter replacement. We'll say yes, even though it hasn't had one, because it's going to take us out of the lit mode, so then we can drive it however we like. So in this case we'll do this. So application done, okay, so that's done. So what we would say is, if you see the fault doesn't come up anymore, turn the car on, do your normal 70 miles an hour motorway, which we would recommend. You can do a standstill regen, but it's not the best for the engines. I would always say do a motorway. Make sure the rev is between 2.5 3,000 RPM. Keep it there for about 30-40 minutes. Keep an eye on the engine temperature so it doesn't overheat. It tells us to turn that, and just drive it that way. Keep driving it for 30-40 minutes. This will clear all the things out. But obviously if you're in lit mode and you're doing that, it's not going to work because it's already registered in the engine control unit. So that's what we would recommend, that you do that. And this will hopefully, I'll do this one as well, because sometimes it's best to do them both. Sometimes it doesn't trigger, sometimes it triggers. Oh, it's because I've got the ignition off. Clever me. So let's just do that again. But yeah, that's what we recommend. Do a full, and then just clear it. This is a way of resetting the suit anyway.